the calming peace that I bring to parents of children with kids who have barriers to learning. That alone, the peace that comes to that mom, is the biggest win of having been involved in the Learn Reading program. Hi, my name is Tania van Thiel Berghuys. I live in South Africa. I'm a licensed Learn Reading tutor, and I currently have a number of students locally and internationally. And these are readers that are emerging or dyslexic or struggling readers. Having a teaching degree, I needed to remain current in the teaching school system. And so I would substitute or temp teach at a number of schools, one being a special needs learning school. And I felt a connection to the children, obviously having the empathy and the understanding of what they were going through, because I could relate to it, A, as a parent, and B, how to better assist because I've had the experiences that I've had. And I was offered an opportunity to join the Learn Reading program as a tutor. And so I joined up as I purchased the license and then the lifetime membership. And I just got cracking straight away with tremendous help from their side. It was just an easy progress or transition into teaching or tutoring. I did a course and it helped me with a lot of technological skills and the courage to do it online and to know that I can do it. And I have the skills and the talents to be effective beyond or behind a camera, because you take a child with ADHD who runs all over the show and wants to hide under the table, you need something special because you can't go and pick them up and put them at the table or offer them a sweet or something. You have to have some luring aspect behind a camera. I think what is so wonderful about the program is that it doesn't teach you how to say the words. It teaches you how to read the words, not what to read or when to read it, or it's how do you know that A is an a. We arm the children or the students with the tools to know when it's going to say this, why it's going to say this. And once they have that, then they can confidently on their own apply it to any text that they're reading. By the time a child reaches like the third booklet or the third lesson, they're smiling more. They're more open with me as the tutor. It's worth every cent for the confidence, and it's giving you a skill that you could apply and use in a job one day, which ultimately would pay back the investment that you made. 100 times over. It is unlike any reading program I've come across. It's unlike any school form of teaching reading that I've come across. And whenever I get the opportunity with friends and family and people along the side of the road who I know are having issues, I'm out there punting and sharing the Learn Reading program to them.